Hey everybody, Casey Dimon here. We're talking about tax sales in the state of Wyoming. Now, Wyoming is a tax lien state. If you're unfamiliar with the tax lien process, what happens is that once the taxes fall delinquent, the county will sell a lien against the property. So you're buying an interest-earning lien against the property, and you are not buying the actual property itself, as you would see in a tax deed state. Now, the lien cost is the amount of the delinquent taxes, interest, and fees up to the point of the sale. The bidding procedure in Wyoming is known as random selection. Simply put, when you register, you'll be assigned a bidder number. The treasurer will then draw a number, and if they choose your bidder number, you will have the option to purchase that lien or pass on that lien. This process continues until all the liens are sold. And there is certainly an element of luck involved in this process and the way it's used. Delinquent taxpayers have a redemption period of up to 4 years in Wyoming. If the property is redeemed during this time, the investor will receive their initial investment back, plus a 3% penalty, as well as 15% interest per year. If the property is not redeemed, the investor has 2 years after the redemption period expires to file the paperwork for a tax deed to be issued. If the paperwork is not filed between 4 to 6 years after the sale, the lien is then canceled, and the investor, they lose their money. It's important to note here that investors are required to purchase the subs or the subsequent taxes every year after their initial purchase up to and through the tax deeding process if the property is not redeemed. This will equate to a minimum of 3 to 4 years of additional yearly taxes on top of your initial investment. Now, the sales are handled by the county treasurer. Most treasurers will require that you be in person or you send an agent to bid on your behalf. Additionally, you will want to register as soon as possible, as some counties do have limitations on the number of bidders that they allow. The entire purchase price will usually be required to be paid the day of or very soon after the sale. Worth noting is that some counties do accept credit cards, of course, with an added convenience fee, but it's helpful for beginner investors without a whole lot of cash. For more information on the specific area that you're interested in, go ahead and locate and browse the county treasurer's website in that area. To read the full set of laws that apply in Wyoming, head on over to Google and search Wyoming Statutes, Title 39, Chapter 13. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, the breakdown of Wyoming's tax sale laws. To learn more about other states, head on over to taxsaleacademy.com and click on State Guide. Take care. Bye-bye.